Hello and welcome to ITO Olympiad Topper. So this is episode 9. Today also we will be welcoming a student and Olympiad topper and usse hum quiz questions पूछेंगे. Now these students have already given ITO Olympiad exams. कुछ बच्चों ने स्कूल के थ्रू दिया है, कुछ बच्चों ने इंडिविजुअल रजिस्ट्रेशन किया है एंड उसके बाद ये लोग स्टेट लेवल या नेशनल लेवल टॉपर्स बने. Today we have Sylvia Imtiaz Atar. She is from Nirmala Convent High School, which is in Kharadi, Pune. And she studies in class 4th. So Sylvia, how are you feeling sitting over here? And can you say hi to our audience?
Hello everyone.
Yes. And she has a beautiful smile, Sylvia. You have a beautiful, vibrant smile.
Thank you very much.
Sylvia is the state topper in ITO Olympiad exams, and that's why यहाँ पे Sylvia invited her. So let's start with the quiz questions. We will be asking 10 questions from Sylvia, जिसमें से every correct answer के बाद Sylvia को मिलेंगे 500 rupees in cash. The question will be from the syllabus that we have already studied, Sylvia, ठीक है? And in case अगर आपको कोई question नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, you can pass the question. I'll change the question and ask another one. But you can only do it once. आप सिर्फ एक ही बार ऐसा कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? Ready? Question number 1. Bharatnatyam, the Indian classical dance, belongs to which state in India? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Tamil Nadu. Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Or option D, Odisha.
Option C, Uttar Pradesh.
Sylvia said C, Uttar Pradesh. Sylvia seems quite confident. The correct answer is B, Tamil Nadu. Okay, second question. Booker Prize is presented in dash field. A. Medicine, B. Adventure, C. Best Novel, or D. Science.
Option C, Best Novel.
Option C, Best Novel. So Sylvia ने जल्दी से आंसर दिया and इतना confidently दिया तो सही तो होना ही है ना Sylvia? Yes, it's correct. Option C, Best Novel. Question number 3. Who developed the first apparatus for long distance radio communication? Option A, James Clerk Maxwell. Option B, Guglielmo Marconi. Option C, Albert Einstein. Or option D, Mark Zuckerberg.
Option B.
Option B? Okay, are you confident?
No, kinda.
Acha, so she's kind of confident. Not very. Okay, let's see. That is the correct answer. B. Guglielmo Marconi. Sylvia, 3 on 3. Good going. Now, next question, question 4. What kind of plant is pondweed? A. Aquatic plant. B. Mangrove. C. Mountainous plant. Or D. Desert plant. पॉन्डवीड किस तरीके का प्लांट है? एक्वेटिक है, मैंग्रोव है, माउंटेनियस है या डेजर्ट है?
Option A.
Option A, aquatic plant. And again it's correct. 4 on 4, Sylvia. Now let's move on to question number 5. If you're lost in a crowd, what is the first thing you should do? A, ask a stranger for help. B, take a bus and go home. Option C, go to a restaurant. Or option D, ask the police for help.
Option D, ask the police for help.
Yes, we should always do this only. So this is the correct answer. Option D, ask the police for help. Now moving on to the 6th question. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. And the sentences, our cat washes dash after each meal. Options are A, ourselves, B, itself, C, herself, or D, myself. Our cat washes dash after each meal. You have to fill in the blank.
Option C, herself.
Option C, herself, is the answer that Sylvia has given. But the correct answer is option B, itself. Our cat washes itself after each meal. Here comes the question 7. The amount of water vapor present in the air is known as A, droplets, B, humidity, C, wind, D, all of them.
A. Droplets.
A droplets. Like मैंने क्वेश्चन पूरा भी नहीं किया एंड सिल्विया रेडी थी आंसर देने के लिए. ओके, बट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी, ह्यूमिडिटी. सो ह्यूमिडिटी इज द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर वेपर. कितना, लाइक उमस कहते हैं हिंदी में, कितना हवा में उमस है, दैट्स ह्यूमिडिटी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Which of these is not constellation? A. Orion, B. Saturn, C. Ursa Major और D. Scorpius. इनमें से कौन सा constellation नहीं है? Orion, Saturn, Ursa Major, Scorpius.
Option C.
Option C, Ursa Major. Okay. Constellation नहीं है सिल्विया. See, there is one planet given in the option. Which one is it?
B. Saturn.
Saturn. But you gave the answer Ursa Major, and unfortunately that's the wrong answer. Let's move on to question number 9. In which direction the minute hand will point at 9:20 p.m. with respect to 9 o'clock? A. South, B. Southwest, C. Southeast or D. East. So if it's 9:20 p.m. okay, तो with respect to 9 o'clock, 9 पे छोटी सुई है घड़ी की, तो मिनट हैंड बड़ी सुई किस डायरेक्शन में पॉइंट करेगी?
I think it's the answer C. Southeast.
Option C is the correct answer, southeast. Good, good. Now, let's move on to the last question, which is the 10th question. If vowels are removed from the series, which letter is 11th from left end? Option A, N. Option B, M. Option C, P. और option D, L. अगर हम वाल्स को रिमूव कर देते हैं पूरे अल्फ़ाबेट में से ए से लेके जेड तक में, तो विच लेटर 11th है फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट एंड?
I will give a pass on this one.
Okay, so she has used her lifeline, which is pass. Now I'll change the question for her. So question number 10 now is, volcanic eruptions and forest fires are dash phenomena. A. Human, B. Natural, C. Animal, and D. Free.
Option B. Natural.
Option B. Natural? Yes, it is. Option B. Natural is the correct answer. That's the end of the quiz today. Sylvia gave 6 correct answers out of the 10 questions posed to her. Sylvia, you did well. Congratulations.
Thank you
Okay?
very much.
She will be receiving 3,000 rupees as the cash prize today. And I'm sure, Sylvia, you must be happy about it. हाँ, आपको क्या लगता है, थोड़ा better कर सकते थे?
Yes.
It's okay. This is for the first time, I think, when you're facing the camera, a little bit of nervousness, but that's absolutely fine. Still, you did well. Congratulations, Sylvia. So this is your cash prize of 3,000 rupees. What will you do with it?
I don't know. I will think afterwards.
Sylvia को अभी भी शायद excitement है, and she has to think about it. What will she do with the money? I'm sure अभी तो आप मम्मी पापा को ही hand over कर दोगे, right? So this is yours and many more to come, Sylvia. ठीक है? Next time also जब आप नेक्स्ट क्लास में जाओ, पार्टिसिपेट इन ITO ओलंपियाड एग्जाम. आपने स्कूल के थ्रू किया था कि इंडिविजुअल किया था?
स्कूल के थ्रू किया था.
स्कूल के थ्रू किया था. तो सिल्विया के स्कूल में ITO ओलंपियाड एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट होते हैं. यू ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट योर स्कूल प्रिंसिपल या स्कूल अथॉरिटीज, दे विल कंडक्ट ITO ओलंपियाड एग्जाम्स इन योर स्कूल, एंड इफ यू आर द टॉपर यू विल बी इन्वाइटेड हियर, जैसे सिल्विया को किया गया है, एंड यू विल गेट अ चांस टू विन द प्राइज मनी. एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट द प्राइज मनी ना, जो एक कॉन्फिडेंस आता है, दैट्स मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. आपको क्या कहना है?
This was a very good
Experience?
experience, and this was my first time. I don't know how did I do all that 6 questions, but I did it. Thank you for you. Thank you.
Now let's meet in the next episode, which will be episode number 10. Please wait for it. Meanwhile, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and because हमें इसकी reach बढ़ानी है. जैसे मैंने पिछले एपिसोड्स में बोला है, अभी तो पुणे के बच्चे ही आ रहे हैं. वी वांट टू टेक इट ऑल ओवर इंडिया, एंड फॉर दैट you are going to play a very important role as an audience. आप जितना इस वीडियो का रीच बढ़ाओगे उतना हमें मोटिवेशन मिलेगा और हम पूरे इंडिया से बच्चों को इनवाइट करेंगे. सो दिस इज मी पर्णिका जायसवाल राय, योर होस्ट. आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर टुडे. Let's meet in the next video. Bye. Sylvia, can you say bye?
Bye.